Hey, what's this thing?
Ooh, watch your head! Somebody get him some ice! I'm gonna pay for that!
This thing caused the 1977 New York blackout.
Let's put it on.
Put what on?
The last suit you'll ever wear.
Sanctioned by MIB Special Services. You'll conform to the identity we give you. Eat where we tell you, live where we tell you. From now on, you'll have no identifying marks of any kind. You will not stand out as deja vu and dismissed just as quickly. You don't exist. You were never even born. Anonymity is your name. Silence. We are the men in black.